everybody, welcome to another episode of Late Night with Chow Wei. So today we're gonna talk about regression. And why are we talking about regression? So late last year, in December, I acted as a valuation expert for a case that involved 170 Pines Club members versus the club's proprietor and owner, Exclusive Resorts, and Mr. Peter Kui. I acted for the defendant, and today the results came out, and the judge fully accepted my valuation report and commended my approach for being reasonable and logical. So what was the approach that was reasonable and logical? So today, let's take a look at it. Right, so I have a little prompt today. So as you can see, this is x-axis and y-axis graph. So what I was tasked to do was to forecast the price of the club if it had been in existence. For those who don't know much about the case, the club that was in question was demolished, and now 2 hotels stand in its place, so the club no longer existed in its existing location. So I had to forecast the price if it had remained in that existing location as it is. So what I did was to find the actual transactions that had occurred and extrapolate the price using the line of best fit, also known as least squares. So why was my approach preferred over my opposing valuation experts? So the opposing valuation expert actually picked the club price that was an outlier. So he picked the American Club, which was quite different from the Pines. And then instead of saying that the price of the club would have deteriorated over time, he said that the price would in fact have increased, which the judge found to be not reasonable. So this is an example of how statistics are now being used in court cases, and where judges actually accept this to be a fair way to assess damages. So even though I've been using statistical methods in my day job as CEO of Gao Capital, this is actually my first time, and I think it might have been the first time that it's used in Singapore courts as well. So I'm really happy that logic and statistics are now being used in court judgments. Okay, so that's it for today. Thanks for watching Late Night with Chow Wei.